So to make this effect, I used Action VFX's Action Essentials package, and I found the torch fire effect. I'm gonna drop a link down below so you guys can follow along. But yeah, this is the asset that I used to actually make this effect, and you can use any of them, but the concept still remains the same. So the next thing we did was add a curves effect to this, and we pulled our highlights up as much as we could. That's just to make it as bright as possible for details. Then added a tint effect, and then where it says map white to, we're gonna select that, and we're just gonna find a color that looks similar to the one that you see inside the anime. Then I just went into my values for the scale, and I just turned that up and just moved the position to get it to where I wanted it to be. The next thing that I did was add a deep glow effect, and this really actually brings out a lot of the effect that we're trying to do. And I just went to the input, changed the threshold around until I found something I thought worked. And yeah, that's pretty much the second step to this part. But play around with these values to see what works for you and what you're trying to do. Remember, never marry my effects. Figure out what you need to. The next thing I did was add an unmult effect. This is from Production Crates, and this is just to remove the black from the background without actually affecting the screen blending mode. So this is a good way to go about doing that. So I added a white and a black solid and put it underneath of the layer just to see where the transparency was or how it would look. So this is just the reference, by the way. So you can see at the bottom of the asset, there's a part that where the fire is actually going outside of where I want it to be. So I just masked out that part of the image, and then I feathered it out and inverted it just so we can get rid of that bottom part to make it look like it's a little more realistic and we don't have pieces of it going where we don't want it to. So now I duplicated the blue flame, and then just to stay organized, we're just going to rename this black flame instead, and this is how we get that effect that makes it look like there's that black inside like the anime. Now add an invert to that, take off the deep glow off of this layer, and then we're going to go inside of the tint and we're going to change those values from the map white to, and we're going to go all the way to the white instead. Now if you turn on the other layer, you can see exactly what it's doing where it's adding the black flame in between, but we want to take this a step further and we want to get the outline that you see in the anime. So I'm going to show you guys how I did this aside from scaling and repositioning, and just offset it a bit if you want to have some more variation inside of the flame. So the final thing we're going to do is duplicate this blue flame layer and rename it outline. We're just doing this to stay organized, and then I want you to add a find edges effect to this, and this is what really brings it together. And then we're just going to select the invert button from there and then play with that blend with original on the effects just to find the fall off that you're looking for, and then from there go to create unmult and then play with the bias. The bias is what's really going to sell this a lot too. Find what works for you, but really just take time and play with the values going in and out and really find something that works for what you like for this. You could swap it out for a different flame and stuff. Like I said, I'm going to leave some links inside of the bio so that you guys can follow along and try it yourself, but definitely tag me if you find something that works that's really cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I thought it was pretty neat. I got inspired from my buddy there, Zenbone. I seen some stuff he was working on, so I was like, let me give it a try and experiment. But I think this is a cool effect and something that you can use with a lot of different things. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace, man. Get out there and create.